So one of the things that I need to do is I need to come here and clean the holes. Well, the old one was there, you know, so there's a good seal for the new one. Make sure that there's no missing part, losing parts. But it looks pretty good. Everything looks pretty good, as you guys can see. Make sure that this is good. Yeah, there's no break parts or any broken parts right here. This one is the one that Jasmine wants me to switch, so I'm gonna switch this as well. Put it on the side. Nini, can you give me this piece? Can you open it, please? I'm gonna replace that piece right there. Thank you. You have it. Thank you. So it's just as simple as just go there. Boom. That's it. You see? Now for the heating element, let's come. Can I get a knife? Yeah, so I can open this. Small one? Yeah, anything, so I can open this. Thank you, my helper. So, Jean, say hi to the camera. Hi. Jean is helping me out today. My daughter. So, let's see what we got going on. And who are you? Who are you? Jesus Christ. And this is the actual heating element. It comes with the heating element and then these two plastic cases, okay? So you can see there's rubber right here. Everything looks good. Looks pretty solid. So let's do it. I'm just gonna put the heating element, okay? And on my way to putting the heating element down here, oh Jesus, I gotta make sure that I route this over here, you know? Without making a big mess, nothing crazy. You're gonna have to put some strength to it, okay? You'll be fine. You'll be fine. Okay. Just means that it's meant to be there. A little difficult, huh? Just a little difficult. Making sure that these metal pieces are straightforward when you put them there, okay? And make sure that you use them to guide you where you want your heating element to go, okay? You know, it's kind of difficult to do this with one hand in this and the other one hand on the camera, but I got it. I think I got it. It's kind of moving. Oh, it's kind of moving to the side, but I think is there. Yeah, this is possible. This is possible. So now let me turn around the dishwasher machine. You going back in there? Oh, Jesus Christ. So I'm gonna turn the dishwasher machine. I'm gonna use this to close the whole thing. So stay with me. Okay. So there's a little bit of water right here on the bottom. You gotta make sure that you got a couple rags so you can clean this and fix it, whatever you gotta do. So let me start by right here. Right here's where I took the previous ones, so they're aligning pretty good. We're just gonna put this little pieces, okay? You wanna make sure they're very tight, okay? This is very hard plastic, so you'll be able to give it a nice tug, okay? Okay. Perfect. Okay. Then the cables goes 1 and 2. These the old pieces have something, but the new pieces don't have it, and it's this right here. It's like a protector for this. So I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna put this one here. Yeah. connect it. 1. I'm gonna connect it. 2. Dini, can you help me out with the map here? I gotta make sure that the water line is plugged, and then the next thing we're gonna plug, sorry, is gonna be that water exhaust right here. Okay, so let's go with that. Can you help me out with that? Make it inside there. Inside? Now let's get the water hose plugged. We need to plug these 2 hoses right here real quick. Stay with me. I need to make sure that I put this locking mechanism. This wire where it's supposed to go, which is right here. So I'm gonna use some pliers. Stay with me. I think I got it, you know? I really think I got it. So everything looks good. We got the foam on the side. We gotta put another foam on top of the dishwasher machine, which I have over there. So give me a second. I'm gonna put this the way I'm putting the dishwasher, you know, the way it's supposed to go. Not gonna look around for any cracks, bends, anything crazy. Yeah, there's more water putting out, you know, not a biggie. Everything looks good. Wires looks good. This needs to go all the way in. All the way in, baby. Go all the way in. That's the water line. That's the water line right there. Yeah, everything looks good. So let me get the foam. This bad boy right here looks a little shaky, but it's a vent. I think we're good to go. There's some dust right here, so let me back in this. Okay. You know, I'm not a good do it yourself kind of handyman, but I'm trying my best, you know. Home ownership is it's a big thing, you know. So this is the way it was before I got it. Yeah, and we're going in now. We're going in. So okay, guys, come over here. Let me show you an error that I made. So when I was putting this hose, the clamp, remember, I put the clamp over this right here, and I need to put it under so it doesn't bother the back when I'm pushing the dishwasher all the way down there. So let's do this real quick. Okay, be a matter of seconds. Boom, boom. Yeah. Now I should be able to do this. Yeah, without any problems. Now we're going. Now we are going, baby. Let's go. Perfect. We're going. Oh yeah, exactly. That's where I wanted it. Yeah, look at this. Perfect. All the way back. Yep, works. Now I need to make sure the elevation things, which are right here, are grounded. You know. So I'm gonna lift it about a couple inches because I know it took a lot of turns when I was putting them back in here. So not sure, it's all the way over there. So this is what I'm going to see. I don't know if you guys can see with the light or not. I'm turning this bad boy here. Okay guys, so one more time, this is the heater core that we have. You guys can see how the pieces are good, everything looks good, but you know, somehow it burned right here. I think that, you know, maybe a fork or something got in here. Look at this, this is supposed to go like this, yeah, but so Whirlpool, I don't know what's happening with you, but look at these bad boys. Rather, you guys can follow your focus in there. Ridiculous. Yeah. Anyway guys, this is it for today's video. Please subscribe to the channel. Tomorrow we're gonna be working on that Chevy, not the Corvette, the Chevy truck, and hopefully you guys like the video guys. So see you later, bye.